Third story. Going down.
Going down. Let's go.
Second story. Going up. Third story.
After you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This thing's a little bit busy though. So yeah, it's a glass elevator.
Second story.
I think it indirectly replaced an older one not far from here. I could be wrong though, but anyway, still very nice.
Doors are closing.
Can I cancel? So yeah, it's a glass anyway. Very nice though.
Third story.
Alright, let's get up here. Bunch of people coming in, so let's get up here. Food court here. Where else there? Yeah. There it goes. That's it.
Third story. Going down. Doors are closing.
Lift number 12.
First story.
15%, 1000 kilograms. Generic Hong Jiang buttons with touchless feature. Now this one is a modernization or more like a replacement, I'm not quite sure, from an existing elevator
Third story.
which has been installed in 1981. There's a blank button for some reason.
Doors are closing. First story.
Oh, sorry.
Going up.
Now I'm going up.
Doors are closing. Second story.
Let's get up here.
Doors are closing.
That's it.